In front of me is Vivo X200 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use the switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also paste it later on by clicking on Clipboard and tapping on your text over here. To pin it, hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it and click on pin icon here. To disable Clipboard completely, tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!